4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Bell Bottom Blues by Derek and the Dominoes. A lot of people covered this song, Eric Clapton. So this is a great tune to learn. We're in standard tuning. We don't have any bar chords, so that's great. Song is in C. So let's get to it. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. To E7. First finger, G, second finger. But let's play the E7 without the bass. So let's just go C. Like that. Then A minor. First, second, third. G over C major. First finger. Play the bass here. Mute A string. F major. I'll play F like this. With a fifth in the bass. Back to G. And then F, C, G. So that's the verses. To A, the key of A. But so I'm going picking, strumming, down, down, picking, and then strum, and then up. To A major. 1, 2, 3. Let's bar it because we need this finger here. And then let's see, A flat in the bass over A. F sharp minor. Oops, we do have a bar chord. Okay, whatever. Second fret, bar second fret, third finger, fourth finger. So let's do that again. A flat over A, F sharp minor, D, E, the third part, which is A major. To A major 7, which is the first finger, second finger, third finger. A7 for a second. D, D, E. Major 7, dominant 7, D, E, and then end with F, C, G. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, thanks for tuning in, boys and girls. Have a great day, be safe, and I will see you tomorrow with more classics.